Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the Chasing the Sun cabin, which is in Sevierville, Tennessee. Sevierville is just a few minutes from Pigeon Forge. We booked this cabin through Summit Cabin Rentals, and this is actually our second time renting with them. The first experience was great, so we're excited to be back. Stick around because I'll share my full review of this cabin at the end of the video. The cabin has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and can sleep up to 12 guests. The main level has a king bedroom and a sleeper sofa in the living room. The upper level has another king bedroom and a sleeper sofa in the loft. And the lower level has a bedroom with a queen bed and bunk beds. The cabin also has some really fun amenities like shuffleboard, a pool table, arcade games, a theater room, plus a hot tub, gas fireplace, and fire pit outside. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Now for my full review of the cabin and our stay. We had a group of 9 people and we really enjoyed our time here. The cabin was clean when we arrived and it had a lot of fun amenities that we used throughout the week, which made the stay even better. One thing we really liked about this cabin is how secluded it feels. There is one neighbor off to the side, but other than that, you really don't see anyone. It's also located at the end of the road, which adds to that private, tucked away feeling. The cabin is conveniently located to Pigeon Forge and Dollywood, so everything was a quick drive away, which was very nice. With 9 people, the space worked pretty well overall, but I will say the living room seating was a little limited if we were all trying to hang out together at the same time. A few of us ended up sitting at the dining table, which wasn't a big deal, but just something to keep in mind for larger groups. We also really enjoyed the outdoor spaces. The porch swing and picnic table were nice touches. The hot tub was a great size for our group and definitely got some use during our stay. We did try to use the fire pit once, but couldn't get it lit, and I'm sure that the rental company would have taken care of it if we called, but it just wasn't a huge concern for us. As for a couple of downsides, the beds were pretty firm, which we noticed during our last stay with this rental company as well, and the water pressure upstairs was a bit weak at times, but nothing major. Getting to the cabin was fairly easy overall. The roads are in good condition and paved for the most part, but there are a few short, steeper sections that could be a little tricky in the winter months. But overall, we had a great week here. We would absolutely stay in this cabin again, and we would definitely book with Summit Cabin Rentals again in the future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Traintrotters travel, fun's in store. We're off to Disney or the ocean shore. Cruises, cabins, Pigeon Forge too. We show you the best so you'll know what to do. Resorts and food, attractions galore. Menus, rooms, and so much more. We're filming the fun to help you decide where to eat, where to stay, and where to ride. So hit that subscribe, come along for the ride. With Traintrotters travel, the world's open wide. Traintrotters travel, let's go! Traintrotters travel, let's go!